Welcome. Today we're diving into AWS IAM and OAuth2. Think of IAM as your security guard, deciding who gets in, and OAuth2 as your VIP pass granting controlled access. Together, they ensure your AWS environment stays safe while allowing the right people in. Exciting, right? Let's explore how these two work hand in hand. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. AWS IAM is like a finely tuned security system. It decides who gets in and what they can do. You wouldn't want just anyone accessing your data, right? IAM lets you set rules, policies, and roles to ensure only the right people get access. And yes, it does a better job than your office badge system. OAuth2 makes authentication seamless and secure. No need to pass around passwords like secret notes in class. Instead, it uses tokens, granting access without exposing credentials. Different grant types suit different needs, making it flexible for web apps and APIs. Think of it as digital security with a smarter approach. IAM and OAuth2 are a match made in security heaven. IAM controls who gets access, while OAuth2 ensures authentication is smooth and secure. Together, they help cloud applications stay safe without making users jump through unnecessary hoops. It's like having a guard and a smart entry system working together. OAuth2 might sound complex, but it's really just about letting apps talk securely. First, we need to understand the main players: client, server, and resource owner, basically the app, the gatekeeper, and the person granting access. Picking the right flow is like choosing the best route to your destination. Authorization code is the gold standard for security. Then we set up endpoints, generate tokens, and make sure those tokens don't end up in the wrong hands. Easy, right? Managing IAM permissions is like setting up a VIP list. Only the right people should have access. Least privilege means giving users just enough permissions to do their job, no more, no less. Organizing them into roles and groups saves time and prevents chaos. MFA is a must because, let's face it, passwords alone are about as secure as a diary with a flimsy lock. And audits, they're your routine security checkups, making sure no one's sneaking into places they shouldn't. Security in OAuth2 is like locking up a treasure chest. Without the right precautions, someone might walk away with the loot. First, HTTPS is non-negotiable. If you're sending data without encryption, you might as well yell your secrets across the street. Token expiration and rotation ensure keys don't stay valid forever. Validation and encryption keep sensitive info safe, and monitoring access patterns helps spot any sneaky behavior. Because nothing's worse than realizing someone's been snooping around undetected. OAuth2 issues can feel like solving a mystery. Something's wrong, but where? Redirect errors are like taking the wrong turn. Get those URLs right. Invalid tokens, check expiration and format. Misconfigured scopes can make your app ask for too much or too little. Rate limits might be stopping you from making too many requests too fast. And logging, that's your detective's notebook, helping you piece together exactly what went wrong. Logging and monitoring are like having security cameras. You need to see what's happening at all times. Authentication logs tell you who's accessing what and when. Failed login attempts, that's either a typo or someone trying to break in. Unusual access patterns set off alarms. If something's off, investigate ASAP. And compliance audits ensure everything's above board. In short, watch everything, question the suspicious, and always be prepared. The future of OAuth2 is looking smarter and safer. AI is stepping in to help detect security threats faster than we ever could. Zero trust means trust no one, even inside your own network, which might sound harsh but is necessary. Multi-cloud authentication is making integrations smoother, and token security is getting a serious upgrade. Buckle up, it's going to be a fascinating ride. We've covered a lot, but here's the takeaway. OAuth2 security isn't something you set and forget. Keep refining your approach, follow best practices, and stay alert for new threats. There are great resources out there to help you keep learning. And remember, security is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's keep running. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.